A year after OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google has launched Gemini, which it believes will serve as an arch rival to ChatGPT. While expanding to over 170 countries initially, Gemini has arrived 8 months after Google launched its Bard. Gemini, integrated into Google's Bard, is an AI model capable of processing codes, text, images, and videos. The AI model features 3 versions: Gemini Ultra, the most capable, Gemini Pro, a versatile for various tasks, and Gemini Nano, designed for mobile devices and specific tasks. Google intends to incorporate Gemini into various products, including generative search, ads, and Chrome in the coming months. Google says the comprehensive Gemini version is slated for 2024 for a full-fledged debut. Gemini Ultra is capable of extensive multitasking of language comprehension, surpassing human experts in areas such as mathematics, physics, history, law, medicine, and ethics. However, Gemini's Ultra model outperformed GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 in a few benchmarks, but disregarded answering questions about how it compares to GPT-4, according to a white paper Google released on Wednesday.